Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a unique audio experience with these invisible wireless Bluetooth headphones. Marketed for sleep and everyday use, these shallow in-ear headphones promise hi-fi sound, noise cancellation, and all-day comfort. Let's see if they deliver. First impressions are positive. The sleek, white design is minimalist and discreet. The invisible claim might be a slight exaggeration, but they are remarkably low profile. The dual-mode wireless technology is a definite plus, allowing seamless switching between devices like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Pairing was quick and painless. Battery life is impressive. The manufacturer claims up to 8 hours on a single charge, and in testing, they came pretty close to that mark. The compact charging case extends that to a whopping 80 hours, making these perfect for travel. No more worrying about running out of juice on long flights or road trips. Sound quality is where these headphones truly shine. The HiFi sound delivers a rich, detailed audio experience with deep bass and crisp highs. Whether listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, the sound is clear and balanced. The noise-canceling technology works surprisingly well, effectively blocking out ambient noise and creating a more immersive listening experience. While it might not compete with high-end noise-canceling headphones, it's certainly effective enough for everyday use and helps create a peaceful environment for sleep. Comfort is paramount, especially for sleep headphones. These are designed with that in mind, using soft, breathable materials that feel gentle against the skin. They sit shallowly in the ear, minimizing pressure and discomfort, even when lying on your side. They stayed put throughout the night, which is a major win. The companion mobile app adds another layer of customization. It allows adjusting the volume, EQ settings, and setting a sleep timer. The app is intuitive and easy to use, providing helpful tips for optimizing the listening experience. These headphones aren't without their drawbacks. The invisible design might not be for everyone, and some users might find the shallow in-ear fit less secure than traditional earbuds for high-impact activities. Also, while the noise cancellation is effective, it's not perfect and might not completely block out loud noises. Overall, these invisible wireless Bluetooth headphones are a solid choice for anyone looking for comfortable, long-lasting, and great-sounding headphones, especially for sleep. The hi-fi sound, noise cancellation, and impressive battery life make them a versatile option for everyday use as well. If you prioritize comfort and discreet design, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.